Welcome everyone to my next episode on Blur cryptocurrency price prediction for 2024. A cryptocurrency which surprised a lot of the people in the way it has performed a couple of weeks ago, successfully breaking out of a stage of accumulation, and I'd like to share with you that we just confirmed that on a very strong price action. So we're talking about the price prediction for 2024 as usually for all the cryptos in the most rational way possible. When it comes down to the other opportunities, for those of you that would like to see many other presentations and price predictions for 2024, including daily videos and predictions, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video. As well, I'm happy to respond you to any comments or predictions you guys have for this specific topic and for anything else. Therefore, by the way, for those of you that would like to join my trades, we actually have a done-for-you trading, no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made. There's trading happens and it goes around. We have a trade right here of 45 BTCs. $48,000. It's a quick scalping. We did enter at 41,819 and it is situated on 42,887. So $1,000 increase for the BTC. It's a quick scalp. It's a day trade. It's 48 grand right there. We are performing basically with our ChatGPT AI bot trading. For those of you that would like to join, you can join the trade. The fees are no upfront fees, just the commission from the pure profits made, just like for the one-on-one coaching program. I'm going to talk about this thing at the end and cover all the important aspects. What's happening with Blur is the topic we care about. Blur crypto on the daily is actually in a very good shape, guys. To be honest with you, the accumulation stage has been left. We've been finding resistance on the supply level located around 40 cents up to 48, 50s, up to 50s, coming back to it in a bullish way, and then the explosion that has happened, which surprised a lot of the people, how quickly we have moved basically from the retracement of the accumulation towards the 138% in 3 days. That was the moment people turned their attention to Blur crypto, and this is something it's going to get into the all-time high in 2024. It is meant for that, it is prepared for that, and we are pretty much having a great time touching those levels quite easily. The market structures have not printed activity in the past bull market. We don't have situation of the 2021 all-time highs for the altcoins, yet we actually speak about a cryptocurrency which has retraced again and confirmed extremely well on previous supply level that has been transformed into our next demand level. As you already know, this is something that is needed as a price action pattern in order to get back to a high trend, which means that we're going to surf away, attack the upcoming supply, which is along the way with a golden pocket existing, something around 90 cents. That will be the next target right here for the upcoming period, early 2024. Once we get to that range, I would not mind a minor retracement just like here, but at the same time, I would actually accept the fact that if we don't retrace big time and form a movement that is clearly going to create a lower high at the end of the day, then simply we're going to continue quite easily above the dollar mark, which is a big deal for Blur. One thing that I'd like to tell you guys, as soon as we cross the dollar mark, there is a psychological barrier. People start thinking about the $5, $10, right? So they enjoy working with these two round numbers, and they are going to fight for that. So it's now the time that they're actually fighting for the dollar mark, knowing that the crypto is at 52 cents. There is around 100% increase from here, which is definitely feasible. Blur has printed more than 100% in the 3 days mark, just like did it here. So it's not something that it's not capable of. More exactly 133, 132, 130s, right, in 2 or 3 days, 4 days, depending on the charts. Now, we are speaking for a situation on 2024 across the all-time high. What do we consider for Blur? Well, we're looking forward to touching these two levels for sure, which means that we're aiming between 1.5 and 1.7, including the extension to 1.618, right? So those are basically the levels that more likely are considered. That means $2 for the price section, 1.7, 1.55. 3 levels that I'm considering. The one that is sitting at the top here, the blue one, the 1.618 extension of the Fibonacci at the $2 mark is actually the most dangerous. And then if we have the capability to break above and confirm here, you're going to attack basically the line at the top, which again is going to be just another great moment for us to position Bluer into the couple of dollars mark and attack by 2024 the double digits, which is about $10. You know, that's when the big bull market is going to start on a heavy phase. Now, this way we're actually looking at if you're breaking out in 2024 in an all-time high situation and you're not even the accelerated phase of the bull market, then I just want you guys to imagine how this is going to look like and how all the whole picture is going to perform. Just amazing. Blue cryptocurrency has a lot to offer, for which we're extremely happy at this time. One thing that I'd like to attach right now is the moving averages as well, which is looking great. There's still the 100 days needing to break out of the 200 days, but the fact that we have been supported by 100 days and 200 days right here along the way with 50 days, and they're so close to each other, they're pretty much squeezed, is telling us that the movement of a rally that is very aggressive for Blue has not even started yet. So you don't have that large extensions between the moving average lines. You don't even have basically the setup to create those large extensions, which means that we're going to do those when we're above the dollar, and that's just even better. The powerful movements needs to appear near to resistance lines in order to break out of them and have the sufficient force to sustain the market above, instead of just breaking and then coming back by marking a fake out. That is problematic. Beautiful. That's where we are. That's the whole picture on the topic. For those of you that, just like I said, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you enjoy this. As well, we have our ChatGPT AI bot trading. If you want to join this, no prior fee, only commission from the profits made. It's a completely done for you trading. There's also the option number 2 with the signals. You can look at the trading report and reach out as well. The one-on-one coaching program, for which I'd like to dedicate a minute. Now, first of all, if you liked a detailed explanation, there is the video on my page explaining it. This is all a page describing how does it work, and you can register now for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes. The idea behind the coaching program is quite simple. The majority of people I'm working with in the coaching, around 80 to 85%, are joining after they suffered major losses. So it's quite curious to me that people join the business, buy crypto, get into the trading side without having the proper knowledge, underestimating the risks of the market, underestimating the difficulties of the space, due to the fact that they look at the videos, they look at the things on YouTube, they read articles, and they think that, look at that guy, he got into it $1,000 and he ended up with $500,000 in a couple of months. Look at that guy, from 10 grand he made it to 100 grand in 2 months. Look at the other guy, look at the meme token guy that bought it for $27 and sold it for $1 million. And this kind of stories, which are just like winning the lottery, guys. I mean, you definitely have much more chances winning the lottery, to be honest with you, than being comparable to those guys out of the blue just like that. So that's not how the business should work at all in a efficient manner. For sure, that's not how. The whole process needs to be handled accordingly to certain rules, certain ways, and certain conditions as concepts on how do we trade, guys. You need to know what kind of expectations to set out and make sure those examples are just exceptions that can give you an extra boost, but never ever trying to copy that kind of a thing, as you're going to be delivered into bankruptcy and liquidations. So trading here is one-on-one directly with me, a coaching program intensively working together, where I'm sharing with you my screen and taking you by hand and teach you how to understand the language of the market. If you don't know what does it speaks to you, how do you expect to react correctly? Simple said. As well, strategies, indicators, all the concepts behind tradings, including live trading exercises and homework. Everything is pretty much included and structured in 3 different stages. Register now to qualify for a free conversation with me and have a good time around the page and topic. We're looking forward to this. Enjoy and speak to you soon.